In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text boxes in Google Docs using a simple workaround. Since Google Docs doesn't offer this feature directly, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs by navigating to their homepage and logging into your account if you haven't already. Now, what you might notice is that Google Docs lacks a built-in feature for curving text boxes. But no worries, I have an alternative solution for you. What we're going to do is use Canva for the curving effect. So go ahead and open Canva in your browser. Once you're there, look for the Create a Design button, which you'll find on the home page. Click on it and choose your desired size for the canvas depending on your project requirements. With your canvas ready, navigate to the left-hand toolbar and click on Text. Here, you'll see an option that says Add a text box. Click on it, and now you can type in the text you want to curve. Once you've typed out your text, select it and look for the Effects option, usually found above the canvas. Click on Effects and you'll see several styling options. Choose the one labeled Curve. You can adjust the amount of curve to your liking by using the slider that appears. Now that you've curved your text, you can style it further, tweak the font, size, and color until it's just the way you envision. Once satisfied, it's time to move this masterpiece back into Google Docs. Click Share at the top right of the Canva interface. Choose to save the file to your Google Drive, ensuring you select transparent background for the design. This step is crucial to ensure your text appears clean in Google Docs. Click on Save and then wait a moment for the design to save to your drive. Now, switch back to your Google Docs. Here's where we'll insert your beautifully curved text. Go to the menu bar in Google Docs and select Insert, then hover over to Image and choose Drive as your source. Navigate through your drive to find the file you've just saved from Canva. Click on the file to select it, then press Insert. And just like that, your curved text box is now part of your Google Doc. By following these steps, you've successfully used a creative workaround to bring curved text to your Google Doc. While it may have required a little extra step, the result is a beautifully designed document that's sure to stand out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.